favorite words. Favorite in the world. Harley Davidson's. Had them since I was 20.
Welcome to Living Local. I'm Gail Kvistad, your host, and we're here at home getting all those projects done that I've always wanted to do. And with Edgar's help, we're social distancing and his guys are here and it's a breeze with all this assistance. So check it out.
This is Edgar from Organic Maintenance.
Now's the time to take advantage of being home. So whether or not you want to plant some trees, you want to get rid of some trees, or just trim something up, Edgar can help you, and in an organic way. Now, most of you wouldn't come out to work here if you didn't have a hat and sunscreen on. Well, just as important is to be organic, and Edgar can help you with that. It's all organic. What does that mean?
It's organic. It's about instead of using pesticides and all that stuff, we usually use compost, mulch to just put the weeds down. It's really good. It works good. Save you a lot of time.
And that's what you're helping me with, is making a mulch and a compost pile so that I'm going to be prepared, right?
Right. Less stress for you, so
That's
you
what
got
it's
it.
all about on the maintenance.
Yes.
No matter whether your job is big or small like mine, Edgar can help you out. He can come with a small truck like this one or a big one if you need it. So whatever your needs are, call Edgar and you can be safe and know that it's done in an organic and healthy way and mindful for the animals and birds too.
I accompanied Edgar on his job, and it's so great to see his skilled workers create magic in nature. Edgar was kind enough to let us journey along with him on an adventure with Edgar's Organic Maintenance, and look at the expert tree trimming. Poetry in motion. Oh, it's nice to watch an expert in action. Lots of years and skill and training. Expertise at its finest. Edgar's Maintenance, everything you need. Trees and all.
So organic, social distancing, and there's no excuse not to do all the projects you want with Edgar's organic help, and call him. See you soon. Stay tuned for more Living Local.